We want to create our own set of gears without having to draw a sketch of a gear, which can be quite complicated. However, Fusion has a tool that will allow us to create gears. Under Tools, if we click Add-ins, there's a button that says Scripts and Add-ins. Once we click that, we'll see a bunch of scripts appear, and what a script is a tool that will allow us to create a part. So I'm going to click the SPUR gear. There's two types, one in C++, one in Python. It doesn't matter which one we select. I'm going to go with the first one, and then we're going to click Run. So now a dialog box appears, and in it, it has a bunch of values that we're not going to touch, except for a number of teeth. However, beside pressure angle, note that there's three common angles. We're going to stick with 20 degrees, which is a industry standard angle for two gears to meet. That's called the pressure angle. For our first gear, let's make it 24 teeth. And so we're going to make a 2-to-1 gear ratio. So let's go ahead and make our second gear. So same process, we go to Add-ins, Scripts, find that same script you used earlier. For me, it was the first one for SPUR gear. We click Run, and then with the dialog box, since we're making a 2-to-1 gear ratio, our second gear will be 12 teeth. So let's go ahead and move our gear. So I right click on the body and I click the Move/Copy tool, and we're going to type in the value to move it over by 228.6 millimeters. I've gone ahead and did the math already for you guys, but keep in mind the direction that the gear should be moved in, so make sure you're choosing the right arrow. Now we see the gears are meshed together. That's not the proper way of a gears to be meeting together. So what we're going to do is rotate the gear, the second gear, the 12-tooth gear, at an angle so that the gears are fit together. So again, we right click on that second gear, select Move/Copy, and the angle I've calculated for you guys is 15 degrees. So let's go ahead and type in 15 degrees. The gears are fitting better. In theory, you could eyeball it, but let's be more accurate. We're going to go with 15 degrees.